This chapter is about how to install PC Simulator. Let's open this folder. We are going to install these three softwares. First, double-click to install MA tool on PC. Click Next, click I agree. The C disk can be replaced with the D disk. Click Install. Let it install, and we move on to installing MA3D. Click Next. Click Install. Still the same. The C disk can be replaced with the D disk. Click Install. Let it install, and we move on to installing King Kong Simulator. The C disk can be replaced with the D disk. Click Next. Click Create Desktop Shortcut. Click Next. Click Next. The installation of King Kong Simulator will be faster. Click Finish. After clicking Finish, King Kong Simulator will automatically open to the operating interface. Click the gear icon to switch languages freely. Drag it over here. Let's copy these two folders to USB flash drive. Folder MA2 and King Kong. The MA3D installation is complete. Click Run MA3D. Click Finish. Drag it over here. Click Next. Check these two items, click Finish. Then pull this option down to the bottom and click the box to check. Click on the top I agree. Click on the down OK. The three software packages have been installed.